Eagle is quite simple and basic.
I really love engineering, and I love like making things and having fun with technology and being creative with technology. I just love that, and this is a lab where and a society that enables that. We get to come here whenever we want in our free time. We get to use all the tools. There's no supervision or control, so we can just do what we want.
The society actually lets people work on extracurricular projects, what they're interested in. We provide sort of expertise, finances, opportunities, space, and so people do get involved once they find that particular project they like doing.
I just love robots, really. I mean, when you actually get stuck into it, making very simple robots is quite easy. I mean, making them do cool things is a bit harder. So I made a very simple robot within like a couple of weeks of joining the society, and then spent a while actually just perfecting it. And then I moved on to other projects and so forth, and got further involved with the society as I thought of more cool ideas to work on.
I had an interest in robotics before, and then suddenly I came along to this, and now my path is robotics. I really want to go into robotics. And I've seen a lot of people who came to the Freshers' Fair and came to talk to us. They really want to come, and we've had so many people turn up today as well for projects, and they've just come and said, hey, what do? We want to work on something, and we really want to work on something, so it's brilliant.
Now I'm trying to get one project finished, which is a LED panel. It came from Piccadilly Circus advertisement sign, and they replaced it for the Olympics. And the old panels, we're basically making a driver to control it.
We reverse engineered the protocol and are driving it with microcontrollers now. So we're actually showing pictures, showing images. We can control the screen.
Very recently, I printed a three-dimensional hand. We have a three-dimensional printer called a RepWrap, which is able to print by laying down layer upon layer of plastic. And we printed a full-scale human hand and arm. I then wired up each of the fingers to a different servo so they could be controlled independently from a microcontroller.
Outside of the labs, we have everything usually goes onto our website, and then we have a lot of people who approach us and say, hey, I'm building this or I'm working on this, and they're not from the university, they might be from anywhere around, and they'll come and say, can you help us? Can you give us some advice, or can we come down to your labs and can we work on the project, or you can help us work on this project? And that's the way we get to a lot of people outside of the university. We have professors who come out from other parts of the UK, or even we had people come from America last year, and they just come and talk about what work they're doing or what research or what they find interesting. So it's a brilliant way for students to see what's going on around as well.
Nice talking to you.